100% of the time. They have to mark, of course, the top 2 scorer of NU in Jaja Santiago and Myla Pablo. We know they will be the first and second option of NU. So Ateneo's got to block better. And of course, you're playing against a veteran setter in Ruby De Leon. So you know that she has a lot of magic tricks up her sleeve. So you have to try to anticipate that.
And no doubt that Ruby De Leon is definitely an ace para dito sa National U.
And their team captain, jersey number 2, Eliza Valdez, Lady Bulldogs.
For the first time for the Lady Eagles, Joanna Maraguinot has been a proven lethal weapon para sa Ateneo. Pablo attacks, rejected. Eliza with the drop.
Kept alive.
Singh saves. Giselle Tan cross court. Valdez, first point.
What a way to start this match and to grace this stage here in the San Juan Arena with a Valdez kill.
Coach Parley Tupas up on his feet early. The pressure is on Ika nga. Never easy filling in para kay Coach Ty Bundit. But a good opportunity likewise para dito kay Coach Parley. Tinawagan na ni Coach Parley na rin.
Conferences. But you know, it's always a question of consistency. But so far in this conference, maganda pinapakita niya.
Binanggit mo yung magandang pinapakita. Etong si Ordaz, si Aiko Ordaz.
To save that or that set, that second ball. But it was too far.
First meeting between these two teams lasted 4 sets. Nanalo po ang Ateneo last September 5. Ateneo celebrating their 6th point here, Noreen.
No, she got rave reviews in her
Kinukuha na nga di ba? Kinukuha para maglaro abroad but decided to stay on. NU was down 3-0 earlier. Now, the Bulldogs are ahead 7-6. Two of the brightest names in the volleyball landscape of the country at present. Cross-court attack para sa Ateneo. Checked. Myla Pablo from the back. Kabanggaan Tan.
Free ball.
De Jesus. Nako, napitin si Jaja. Binalasa ni Giselle Tan.
Great save there by Tan, and Valdez gets a point for Ateneo.
Eliza Valdez with 3 points in the first set. Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra. The Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Meron pang sukli ng fist pump galing kay Coach Parley. Same with that reception. Jaja, second ball. Myla Pablo, kumadjust yung bola sa kanyang palo. PLDT Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family with speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as $9.99. How do you defend Eliza from the back line?
Well, it's like she's hitting from the front as well.
Grabe, no? Tignan mo naman yung setup sa kanya rito. Pang poster, no?
Yeah, exactly. Ganda ng form. And you know what's hard about that is she targets the corner pockets. Those are the hardest to defend.
Yung mga tulong zones na tinatawag, di ba? Anong tawag doon?
Net violation by Doria.
Ang taas din lubok na talaga ni Eliza, no?
She's all pumped up here.
Oh, no doubt. 16-11, Ateneo, second tactical timeout. 16.
Good serve.
Tan goes to Eliza. Tanong gagawin mo ron, Noreen? Nandun naman yung depensa.
You know, Eliza's really very crafty and she saw Jaja Santiago, Ruby De Leon. Of course, you will challenge the smaller blocker. Not to take anything away from Ruby De Leon and, you know, her blocking capability, but Eliza really just knows how to make use of that block.
Magandang read, ika nga. Oh, over reception. Eliza, quick reaction. 2 straight points by NU earlier. Ateneo gets those 2 quick points back. And the earlier slice to 5. De Jesus. Oh, wow.
You know that Ateneos are prepared for the NU defense doing combination plays, and that time Eliza Valdez at the firing end.
Ganda nung setup ni Giselle Tan, no?
Yes. But again, because they're receiving better here in this first set at least.
And that was why yung Sagot ni Ella De Jesus doon, napaka-importante. And so far, so good for Alyssa Valdez from the service line. Impeccable touch for the phenom of Philippine Volleyball. Talk about phenom, nakita ko rin si Kiefer Ravena rito.
Oh.
Si 30 Ravena, nakita ko.
And of course, the mom, Mozzie.
Of course, si Mozzie. At si Daddy.
Dito si Bong?
Ayan, ayan o, naka-neon shirt.
Okay.
To close out set 1, 25-19. Giselle Tan has connected with Alyssa Valdez time and again. And so far, it has been an Ateneo show dito sa first set.
In that first set, really, NU seemed like they're not in it. They're not communicating. They're giving away too many free balls. Ateneo relying a lot on their captain, Alyssa Valdez, playing well for the squad. So,
Myla Pablo, the leading scorer for National University. Serving. Alyssa receiving. Alyssa attacking. Alyssa scoring.
It was all Alyssa in that play.
Giselle Tan making sure that Alyssa is served really well.
Yeah.
Kung makikita mo, Tom Rabao sa reception, Jaja was there but made sure that ball was away from the hands of the tallest player. The official ball of the Shakey's V-League is, of course, Mikasa.
Yeah, when Audrey Paran is in for Myla Pablo.
Tip coming from Jaja. De Jesus. And once again, Valdez delivers. Parang hindi pa nagka-attack error si Alyssa, no?
Di pa. And you know, NU, actually even in the first set.
Meron pang Myla Pablo ron, pero dito nawala na rin si Myla.
Oh, and coach really opting to keep her at the bench.
Wow. You talk about reading the defense. It was not a perfect setup coming from Tan, but somehow, also, supposedly is on that level as Alyssa. Tingnan natin kung madadala niya ang kanyang koponan.
As Jasmine Nabor enters for NU, replacing Aiko Ordaz.
Bumalasa na. Tumugot na si Coach Roger. Another good block by Ateneo. Tignan natin kung itong Young Turks ng National U ay magbibigay ng new blood sa kanilang kampanya. Smaller unit. So.
Yeah, but that's what Coach Roger is hoping, no? Yung mga hugot niya will play with more intensity. Because he did say in that huddle, this is the finals, but parang hindi kayo lumalaban.
It's never easy getting to the finals, and when you're here, you have to relish it. You have to embrace it. This Ultra Fast Spike is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Joanna Maraginot, one of the best scorers in the entire conference, serving for Ateneo. Yolan goes cross court.
Oh, good dig.
Tan, cross court likewise.
And Alyssa Valdez again with that kill.
And Alyssa Valdez, hindi mo sasabing in cruise control eh. Dahil all power eh. Makikita mo para kay Alyssa. Mula sa likuran, mula sa harapan, mula sa gilid.
Tsaka actually, the set was far from... As you can see, it's Bong Ravena.
And of course, the phenom, basketball's version. Kiefer Ravena. Kasama rin niya yung kanyang kapatid. The high leaping 30 Ravena. Of course, si Mozzie nandito.
Yeah, you gotta love really the support right now. Inter-sports, basketball will watch volleyball and vice versa.
Nakakatawa nga dahil yung Ateneo community has been very supportive of the Lady Eagles. But so itong National U, although outnumbered sila, the moment may makita tayong run dito, may ibang timpla. Pero ngayon, talagang kontrolado ng Lady Eagles ang takbo ng laban. Bumalik na si Jaja Santiago para dito sa koponan ng National U. Drop shot para kay Alyssa pero hindi tatawid. Nagkakamali rin pala si Alyssa.
Tao rin naman pala.
Tao lang. The veteran Ruby De Leon.
Oh, great serve.
Nice serve. Alyssa. This is better defense for National U. Makikita natin.
A lot better.
Alyssa again. Ginawa ng paraan. Alam mo, nandun na si Sing eh. Palapit na eh. Nadulas lang eh. Pero mas kailanganin yung set, no? Merong talon si Alyssa na pumipigil sa kanya sa area, no? Nag-straddle. Tapos mabibitin niya yung sarili niya.
And you know, her court sense really is impeccable, especially in today's game. Kitang-kita niya where to put it, where to drop.
Makyat yung mga blockers. And then a misdirection para dito kay Myla Pablo. Tan, binigyan si Eliza. Oh, checked.
Good save though.
First time ko nakitang na-block si Eliza.
Oh.
De Leon goes to Pablo. Pablo with a drop. Jesus, inangat para kay Eliza. De Leon, back set. Jesus. Tan. Eliza.
See, the rallies are getting longer.
At nawawala na rin sa pwesto ang Lady Eagles.
You know, that's really the bigger, the difference. Connecting, but still no defense.
Walang coverage doon, ano?
Yeah.
De Jesus. This time Eliza. Pumps blood to Ateneos.
For them, the best start actually in the match, but then errors naman creeping in. Now we're tied.
Coach Parley Tupas biting the bullet. Hindi tumawag ng timeout even if they were down earlier by 5. De Leon inangat ang bola para kay Myla Pablo. Save coming from Ella De Jesus. Oops, sumobra ang tulak. Hape.
Hape.
NU lamang ng dalawa. Miss hit coming from Eliza, but still that was in.
Yeah.
Kantong-kanto. Corner pocket, ika nga.
Yes.
Parang iyan na.
Yeah. But that should pump NU up because that's what we've been, even the fans have been waiting for.
That's a check ball. Kitang-kita natin yung balak ni Eliza ron eh.
Oo.
Nakita niya, hindi niya may ilagan si...
And NU.
At National University din. Dominating the volleyball landscape, Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Pablo, checked. Free ball para sa Ateneo. Ooh! My!
Miscue there for NU.
Speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for as low as 999. 2 straight points by Ateneo earlier. Binasag ng NU para sa kanilang 17-point. Pablo blocked by De Leon and Valdez.
Wow! And too much to the delight of Coach Parley Tupas.
And this is where papasok in determination dito ng Lady.
Celebration. That's also been the story of Ateneo today, playing a team effort.
Nakakatuwa yung reaction ni Coach Roger at ni Coach Parley. And that smile by Coach Roger Goraya belies the fact that yung frustration over the game that was played by National U.
Yeah.
Laban sa nilarong flawless game ng Ateneo.
So Eliza, before this match, sabi mo na parang yung Lady Eagles yung underdog sa larong ito. Sa tingin mo ba ngayon, after sweeping NU in 3 sets, kayo pa rin ba yung underdog?
Oo naman, we have lot of things to improve pa and sobra, and wala pa si Coach Tai, and we really played this game for kay God naman talaga, kay Coach Parley and all the efforts na binibigay ng team and to everyone who supports the team talaga.
Okay, so speaking of Coach Tai, kung nanonood siya ngayon, ano ang gusto mo naman sa kanyang sabihin?
Happy. No, good luck Coach sa coaching course, and we miss you kitong makmak Coach itong.
Okay, so thank you Eliza. Congrats naman sa being player of the game and to the Ateneo Lady Eagles. We present to you, of course, this box of Shakey's once more for being player of the game.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, the first of our awards for this conference. The first best outside spiker. That award goes to, from the Ateneo de Manila University, Eliza Valdez. Congratulations, Eliza, and now the most valuable player of the conference. And it will come from one of these young ladies in front of you. The MVP of the Collegiate Conference Season 12 of the Shakey's V-League is, from the Ateneo de Manila University, Eliza Valdez. Eliza now with her second MVP award. Congratulations, Eliza, and congratulations to all of our winners for our individual awards of Season 12 of the Collegiate Conference of the Shakey's V-League.